The Health First Clinic is a state-of-the-art, community-based clinic that serves primarily the low-income community.
You can just breathe normal for me, please.
Although many communities have clinics, what makes this so extraordinary is the fact that in one building, we were able to bring a variety of different organizations and a pharmacy and place it in the neighborhood in Fall River that needs it the most.
One of our most successful efforts has been the Fall River Fitness Challenge. We began 5 years ago to bring hundreds of people into the program that introduces them to physical fitness and exercise and improved nutrition.
The goal is to not only help people get healthy, lose weight, and learn about wellness, but also to open their eyes to the resources that they have in their community.
When you're surrounded by community members in an atmosphere that's fun, inexpensive, exciting, motivating, it makes the whole process so much easier, and it makes it a process that people want to come back to again and again and again.
We also want to empower the youth of Fall River by making them full partners in our health improvement efforts.
Our program, Teens Against Drug Abuse, TADA, is an amazing addition to the health and well-being of the city of Fall River.
Teens Against Drug Abuse 2 years ago was successful in the adoption of an ordinance to ban the sales of tobacco products in all of our pharmacies. With that success, I think they've felt that they can move ahead in some other areas and now are tackling prescription drug abuse.
The different types of prescription medications out there, such as opiates, stimulants, tranquilizers, stuff like that.
When I see youth who have worked with us when they were in high school, go on to college, and then choose to come back to Fall River to make a difference, that's something that gives me lots and lots of hope.
I think Fall River really needs to understand that health is really at the base of all the things that need to happen to make this community a more viable place to live.
We've come a really long way. People from outside our community are saying that the work we're doing matters and is changing things.
Fall River has a really bright future because we're tackling some of these problems.
Dígúi bhartas me siché agus fáilte ríist anseo go cean go ceilteach agus lenaráid leis an scéal of Cábhairmid. Harry Potter agus an Orchoch, Ngéilge, agus an Mrenis Harry Potter Main Athróniv. Mar sin, lenaráid a ráid leis an scéal agus Cábhairmid. Bhímuid an seo. Agus cacha mé rud a cínt. Tá mé sa gcónailnis. Okay. Okay, so Cábhairmid. Bhímuid an seo. agus na sarja. Bhain sé scláb asam sesin agus hasban sé a láb dóibh agus círsir fiúlteach casta hart urthe. Ní bheith mé abalta breth fián cléite go ceán seachtainna. Dearmse liv níor bhfuil aon anbhí riamhlum cho thuasach leis an dragon sin ach ba rói leat Hagrid gur conín beag clúach é. Nuair a bhain sé an scláb asam thug sé amach dom as é a scanrú. Agus nuair bhí mé gimacht, bhí sé canna súntarí do. Agus nis imreanis tá sé mar sin brathód hí bhí meddai gan dangos I lau wedi I lapio miln hansis waidlid. Dúin dweid orthach hí in dhraig ina idir anavail muiaf aniver dúi wedi gar varvod ariad ond my Hagrid in son an dani vel petain vuni vach vevel viniwid. Pan rathod hi vi dwedod or dreven ortha I am I dichrin. A fan a dewis I roedd on cani Wingerd iddi. Agus Caird elf. Caird is kiel don scale shach. It bit me, he said, he being Ron, showing them his hand, which was wrapped in a bloody handkerchief. I'm not going to be able to hold a quill for a week. I tell you that dragon's the most horrible animal I've ever met. But the way Hagrid goes on about it, you'd think it was a fluffy little bunny rabbit. When it bit me, he told me off for frightening it, and when I left, he was singing it a lullaby. Holthus an chnigog winniog orha. Hedwig atá an sa Harry agus rishe lechi a squilo shach. Be fragra le o Charlie. Chuir an trúr acu an glugan le chéile le an nota. Clúid tapio ar fenist diwich. Hedwig sí ná meddai Harry gan frisio iu gadal and meln. Evo ateb gan Charlie. Closiad penair tree at I gilith I darchlin in nudden. There was a tap on the dark window. It's Hedwig, said Harry, hurrying to let her in. She'll have Charlie's answer. The three of them put their heads together to read the note. Aran a yiel. Conas tatu, Gurmaget as an licher. Vein lan sasta glaculesh and dronach yorach, ach nive she forsta a hart and sha. Shilm gerbase varianav a hur anal, la carja lum, a tag chact, courthugum and chacton shahugan. And tain rudawan. Tain rudawan. Ni orfuk she da veki iad agus dragon ni glechach lo. And veitha and dronach a hortus an tourist arja bhiani chit a sachran. Dave hadish bula live in shin agus a bhre hun shul fuin dorchadus. Quir fagra hugan a lucha is fager. Gra more, Charlie. Anul Ron, Shututi, Diolch am y chlythyr. Byddwn in falch o gymryd y gefn o'r miog nôr wydd. Ond fydd hi ddim yn hawdd I hael hi yma. Dwi'n meddwl mae'r peth gorau fydd I hanfon drosodd efo ffrindiau I mi sy'n dod draw yng ngweld i'r wythnos nesaf. Y drwg ydy na fyw iddyn nhw gael I gweld yn cario draig anghyfreithlon. Fedra ti gael y gyfynwrmiog I ben y tŵr uchaf am hanner nos Sadwrn. Gan nhw di gyfarfod di yna a mynd â hi I ffwrdd tra bydd hi'n dal yn diwych. Anfon ateb gyntyd eg y medru di. Hwyl, Charlie. Dear Ron, how are you? Thanks for the letter. I'd be glad to take the Norwegian Ridgeback, but it won't be easy getting him here. I think the best thing will be to send him over with some friends of mine who are coming to visit me next week. Trouble is, they mustn't be seen carrying an illegal dragon. Could you get the Ridgeback up the tallest tower at midnight on Saturday? They can meet you there and take him away while it's still dark. Send me the answer as soon as possible. Love, Charlie. Dark siad a héla. Tan clocha dorcha agan sa Harry, ní cór go mé sé roiachar. Sílim go bhfuil an clocha mór golóir leis an mert agan a chlúdach chomá le Norbert. Hacha go raibh fíor roch heachtain curcha isteach ag an mert eile mar dainty siad leis. Ruidir bith le bheith Sir ó Norbert agus ó Malfoy. Edrychan chu I gilydd. Mae'r clogan an welyd digwrdd gynnon ni meddai Harry. Ddydlu hi ddim bod yn hw anodd. Dwi'n meddwl fod y clogan yn ddigon mawr i'n gwrchwyddio ni'n dau a nerys. Cyntanodd y ddau arall unwaith gan ddangos wythnos môr ofnadwy fi hi. Unrhyw beth I gael gwared a nerys a mach wyd. They looked at one another. We've got the invisibility cloak, said Harry. It shouldn't be too difficult. I think the cloak's big enough to cover two of us and Norbert. It was a mark of how bad the last week had been that the other two agreed with him. Anything to get rid of Norbert and Malfoy. Ach bhí aon rud amháin de, maidin lá ar na mhárach bhí lábhrán atá gá uair chomór is bachart an at ar banú an scláb as. Ní ras aige an rush é sáilta aige dul ag tríal Madam Pomfrey an achneo si Graham Dragon. Fuoi chranóna áfach ní ran dara rá aige. Bhí dá gráine glas taci ar an ngearú. Bhí an cuma go ra nimh I bhíochla Norbert. Ón cadódd an háster Urban Bora Tranoeth, Roy Thlau Ron Wedi Huitho, if Dhuioeth e Might. Udai o them oeth heen Viegel, Evind at Madam Presorwen. Vidai heen an nabod brathia drag, on urban intnown doeth gandio them dewis, roedd e brathiaid wedi troin urth aviach. Edrychyn debyg bod skither ddanedd neris in wen unig. There was a hitch. By next morning, Ron's bitten hand had swollen to twice its usual size. He didn't know whether it was safe to go to Madame Pumphrey, which he recognized a dragon bite. By the afternoon, though, he had no choice. The cut had turned a nasty shade of green. It looked as if Norbert's fangs were poisonous. Hog Harry agus Hermione ruig suis gedi skiachan an Uspedel ag Deran lei agus forsheed Ron Rumpu as droch roi hart air. Ní hé malav awan air session de hu ishel biach gemracham gewulshin a riach tichim diem. Durt Malfoy le Madame Pomfrey gur hasti we lawer all isacht wem. Dirk le chachtan shaw agus vet ag goric fum. Wagar sé orm go nín seoch sé de cad amháin an scláb as an daríre. Dúirt mar se le gur maidre a rinne é ach ní hílam go greithin si mé. Níor chóir é a bhúla ag an glucha cuideach sin an fá a bhfuil óg aige dom. Cruthroth Harry a Hermione I bhunaí ar uspatí I weld Ron Durban I díd. Roedd ina gwely ach mewn cyflwr difrifol. Nid fi chlaw in unig idir drwg sybrydodd. Bod hyn temlo fel petai fin sirthio I fwrdd. Dwedodd machlwyd wrth Madam Presorwen I fod o isha benthyg o chlyfrau I. Dim ond mewn iddo gael esgus iddod yma chwerthin am fi'n hen I. Roedd o'n dal ati I figwth I byddain dweud wrth I beth ffrathrodd fi mewn gwir unodnedd. Dwi wedi dweud wrth I mai ci oedd o, ond dwi ddim in meddwl I bod hi'n fi'n credu I. Ddiliwn I ddim bod wedi I daro fo in I game Quidditch. Dyna pam mae'n gweud hyn. Harry and Hermione rushed up to the hospital wing at the end of the day to find Ron in a terrible state in bed. It's not just my hand, he whispered, although that feels like it's about to fall off. Malfoy told Madame Pomfrey he wanted to borrow one of my books so he could come and have a good laugh at me. He kept threatening to tell her what really bit me. I told her it was a dog, but I don't think she believed me. I should have hit him at the Quidditch match. That's why I shouldn't have hit him at the Quidditch match. That's why he's doing this. Rinne Harry agus Hermione iirecht Ron a thuaimniú. Béis sé ille hart faoin bheánaíche de sacharan Sir Hermione, ach níor chuir sin Ron chuimhneas chorbe. Go dibhan hain is ealaí a chlí sé I níor sa lába agus an talas ag teacht leis. Meán icha de sacharan sesin de gragach. O Malain Gare, Anish is Quivenum, the Licher Charlie sa lawer sin a Hog Malfoy, Ves ege Gewillamid hun fall Ray le Norbert. Ní bhuair Harry na Hermione fall aragart, mar tháinig Madam Pomfrey isteach deorchan sin agus dúirt le bheith ag imeacht, mar gur bh culla ag teastal ó Ron. Gwneud Harry a Hermione I gorau glas I daweli Ron. Bydd popeth drosodd urban hanner nos sadwrn meddai Hermione, on nid oedd hynny on un hrw gusser Iran, i'r gwrth weneb, cadodd I estedd a hori achlan in huis de verol. Hanner nos sadwrn meddai mewn llais cross, o na, dwi newydd gofio. Roedd llither Charlie in a llifr in a gymerodd machlwyd. Mi fydd o'n gwybod ein bod ni'n cael gwared a neris. Hafodd Harry a Hermione ddim cyfle I ateb. Daeth Madam Presorwyn draw a'i gorchwmyn I adal, gan ddweud fod angen cwsg Ron. Harry and Hermione tried to calm Ron down. It'll all be over at midnight on Saturday, said Hermione, but this didn't soothe Ron at all. On the contrary, he sat bolt upright and broke into a sweat. Midnight on Saturday, he said in a hoarse voice. Oh no, I've just remembered. Charlie's letter was in the book that Malfoy took. He's going to know we're getting rid of Norbert. Harry and Hermione didn't get a chance to answer. Madame Pomfrey came over at that moment and made them leave, saying Ron needed sleep. Tá sé ró an plán achrúnis sa Harry le Hermione, níl am agan ó háháin eile thur chuig Charlie agus b'éidir nach bhuaimis an dara deis le fáil ré le Norbert, caitheann dul sa seans leis, agus tréis an tíal tá an clochadorcha agan agus nílas ag Malfoy faoi. Mae'n chríthúr I newydd in cynchwyn Ron, meddai Harry wrth Hermione. Does gynna ni ddim amser I gwyddhw arach at Charlie. Dyma'r unig gyflagawn ni I gael gwared yn eris, bydd rhaid una ventro, ac mae'r clygan an weledigwrydd gynna ni. Dydy machlwyd ddim yn gwybod hynny. It's too late to change the plan now, Harry told Hermione. We haven't got time to send Charlie another owl, and this could be our only chance to get rid of Norbert. We'll have to risk it. And we have got the invisibility cloak. Malfoy doesn't know about that. Agus a harja, Neil Moran am Faki Agwin. So, Bajor, nach Lanamid Arai, Karoda. Martian, so Kathleen. Napasha. Agus Martian. So, Tasogum Gameme on a gan Shaktana, Agus Beme ag Lort. Live we scale Harry Potter, August and Orchloch. August Harry Potter, a mine or Athroniv. Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. Land of the Rye Lesson Scale. August Kale Willis KV Ashul Egg and Tour Vic Lane Nils Agam. Bajor Gamay Shiv Kjark Galore. Bajor Gamay Rud Ufasach a chacht Orhu. Martian, bé mé an gan seachtain na chundé agus tá sú agam go mééis sibh a brechnú orm I gan seachtainna agus go méid seachtainna bhá agah agus go méid gacrúd I gceart I rith na seachtainna seo thugan agus bé an dúisca ró alt ag chat agus na credits déireanach siúl agus tasógam go méid gacrúd I gceart le haghaidh na rudaí sin. So, mar sin me scéal agus lena rá leis an scéal Harry Potter I gan seachtainna le cúnadé mar sin slán anis agus slán go fóil. Agus tá sé ag chat, ok, mar sin.
Et uzarke mazon ba et mamweza wase verbepet et uzarke mazon ba et mamweza wase verbepet mamweza wase verbepet ketendes nagon penket haldam disvanya verbet ketendes nagon penket haldam disvanya verbet et haldam disvanya but the zenle redin pep hanon et haldam disvanya but the zenle redin pep ha